This is a 2005 Nissan Pathfinder. This SUV has a 5-speed automatic transmission, a 4.0-liter V6, and the added capability of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, power-adjustable driver pedals, a sunroof, heated seats, a limited-slip differential, traction control and stability control systems, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a DVD player, a premium audio system, aluminum wheels, a CD player, leather seats, 12-volt power outlets, rear curtain airbags, a first aid kit, air conditioning, and the HomeLink transceiver can be programmed to use the same frequency as your remote opening devices, such as the garage door, the entry gate, or even the living room lights, enabling you to control them right from the driver's seat. We hope you found this video informative. Please contact us today.